I've been attached with the feeling of now waking up with you by my side.
Hello everyone, good morning. Galing po kaming taping kanina, so nagtulog ka ba?
Meron naman ito.
Meron po, pupunta tayo ng Boracay pero galing kaming shoot, pero may yung suot ko. Wala po ako dyan.
Outfit check mo kami. Outfit check.
Hey everyone, we're now at the lounge. Kakain lang kami. And we'll see you in Boracay. We're very, very, very
Magkano po?
450 sa polo, tapos 250 sa sando.
Wala bang discount yan? Nakarami na.
Sorry po, mapaalam na ko ito. Pwede po ba?
Lots of things happened before this day. Ang dami na nangyari talaga, including that photo. Actually, ladies and gentlemen, mga kapamilya, that's just a snippet of what happened in Boracay. Again, that was their announcement of the movie Tayo sa Wakas. Hindi po sila nangangampanya. It just seemed so kasi ang daming tao talaga dumagsa. But hey, that's just the power of the A-listers that we have for this movie. But again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Media Launch ng Tayo sa Wakas. We got our incredible cast and creators right here. Palakpakan muna po natin sila before we start. Thank you so much for joining us and also to our friends from the media. I'm sure you guys are so riled up to ask a lot of questions and to know more about this film. But before we do that, why don't we ask our cast first and our creators, of course, to say hello to our press and also to the fans watching us online. And we shall start you with Miss Van. Hi, Miss Van. Kailangan nyo may pinakamagandang buhok daw muna. Yes.
Hello? Yeah. Hi, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito sa aming MediaCon today. And doon po sa mga nanonood, hello po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you, Miss Van. How about the very lovely Mia?
Hello po, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Maraming pong salamat sa pagdalo dito at sa mga nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Ako po si Mia Canton, part ng cast ng Tayo sa Wakas.
Hi, Mia Canton. We love having you here. Emilio.
Hello po sa aming mga kaibigan dito sa media. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta niyo dito sa MediaCon ng Tayo sa Wakas. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat. How about you, River?
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Ako po si River Joseph and unang-una maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo today and hopefully we enjoy today. Ayun lang po.
And we shall enjoy today. Hindi po ako magsasawa na sabihin na isa pong karangalan talaga na makasama ang nag-iisang Joros Gamboa dito. Joros, you wanna say hi to everyone?
Salamat, Robin. Gusto ko lang sabihin na isa ka sa pinakamagaling na host dito sa Pilipinas. Pakiramdam ko nga, ikaw na yung papalit kay Kuya Germs.
Diyos ko po.
Kumaga, sa ganung level. At sa lahat ng kasama natin dito, sa ating mga nagagandahan at nagagwapuhang mga taga-press at sa media, ako po ay tatakbo. Hindi, joke lang. De, gusto ko lang sabihin na ito ulit yung chance para maibalik natin ulit ang mga Pilipino sa sinehan po. Ayun po.
Big revelation for you, and big commitment as well. Diba? How about you, Sir Epi?
Good afternoon, guys. Good to see familiar and new faces this afternoon. Mag-enjoy tayo.
Thank you, Sir Epi. Direk, we missed you.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Thank you sa ating mga kakampi sa media. Sa lahat na nanonood online. Yes, today is gonna be a fun day. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Pwede mo may tissue?
Bakit po?
Pagkatabi ko talaga to, tira mo na. Naiyak na ako katatawa.
Mahingi po tayong tissue, okay?
Tissue raw po.
Especially later on, we'll have that big emotional moment. Abangan niyo po yan, mga kapamilya. Now, before we go to Donnie and Belle, I just wanna ask, I know it's summer right now, mainit talaga yung panahon. Is that part of your character or talagang gusto mo lang magpagupit?
Umamin ka!
Well, we're still shooting now.
Oh, okay.
So,
Okay.
Alam ko na yun.
nag-shoot pa rin kami.
Okay.
Bagay naman, di ba, Ro?
At so, lahat ng hairstyle bagay sa kanya.
Mas
Ayan.
gwapong hairstyle mo, opa na opa eh.
Nagpalit lang tayo. Ito yung sa trailer nakita ko eh. So, gagayahin ko yung buhok ni Donnie doon sa poster. Okay? But you wanna say hi to everyone first, Donnie and Belle?
Yes, hello po to our friends na media. Thank you guys so much for taking the time. Finally, nandito na po tayo sa MediaCon. And of course, to our brands who've been supporting us and sa mga supporters natin, everyone watching online. Thank you so much.
Hello to our press and media. How are you guys? Okay naman po. Sana po enjoy natin tong evening na to. Ayan.
Direct?
Hindi, aminin na natin totoo. Donnie did this for the film. I asked him to. Noong una, syempre, andun yung fear. This is the first time he's ever done this in his entire life. And I admired him for doing this for the film.
And if I'm not mistaken,